You have to apply this antibacterial athlete's feet on my feet. And then some on the other feet. There we go. Guys, HFK just woke up. HFK.
Ah, stop!
Guys, I'm gonna eat this leftover lasagna from yesterday. Yeah. Guys, we got some leftover lasagna from yesterday. We're gonna add some sour cream. Yeah, holy crap, hold on. It don't smell bad, actually.
She looks annoying. My stomach hurts.
Ah! Guys, not to be like stalker or anything, but just look, they ordered one of those, the neighbors ordered one of those bouncy things. That's funny. You ready to go to the meeting? To the assembly? Guys, we're gonna go to the assembly today. And, you know, I had some lasagna and stuff. You know, Soviet, we have sandwiches. Mom made us yesterday. There's a sandwich. And, well, my mom, and that's her grandma, because she's my niece.
Shut up.
Dude, you still feel bad or what?
Yes.
Your stomach was hurting this morning.
It still does.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You gotta go to the bathroom.
I'm about to watch a video and you can't be recording.
You gotta go.
Fine, I'm gonna watch it.
Guys, we made it to the assembly hall. Here's Sophie. And then HFK, Help Found Kingdom is here, man. They're doing this construction right there.
On the Airport Harlingen congregation and its participants as they present a summary of this week's lesson.
2018 ended with a surplus of $393.78.
You want to stay?
You feel better? You were vomiting.
Yeah.
You were throwing up everywhere.
What the hell?
Stop recording.
Yeah, this your man, I hate to give. It goes down in the DM. It go down. It go down in the DM. Yo, I'm gonna get this sandwich. Mmm. It smells like chicken. Mmm. Oh! Back it up. Give it a little piece. Yeah. It smells good. Where do you guys eat at?
It's a place called La Playa.
La Playa?
Yeah.
It's some.
Isn't there?
I don't think so.
They're real famous in
Oh yeah? It seems pretty good. Hot. Yeah, Sophie was sick.
So she was sick in the morning. Why in the world did y'all take her?
She wanted to go. Because Dita said, you want to go home? And she said, no.
Who was that guy that was with you?
Mom, go away.
I'm gonna go to bed because I'm screaming. I should have been down for even too tired.
Yeah, look, this is good.
The Bobby kitties went down?
Mm.
I'm gonna give him some dry food.
Mmm. This right here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 767 Boeing just crashed here by Houston. With a lot of people's Amazon stuff on it. That sucks. Guys, here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The unboxing of the new JP Morgan Reserve 2. The Reserve JP Morgan unboxing credit card unboxing. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is. Don't look at the numbers, man. I know you guys want to look at the numbers. Here it is. I get millions of dollars now. Now I'm going to be rich for life and just spend, $10 million and just save just live off $10 million. That should be enough for the rest of my life. You guys are on my YouTube channel right now, and they're going to be implementing a new strike system on YouTube. So, starting February 25th of this month, 2019, which is introducing new simplified 3 strikes. Okay, so let's check it out and learn more. So it says, making our strikes clear and consistent. We're uploading a way to give community strikes a new, simpler system. We work to understand what and what's not, and you told us that consistent enforcement, clear policies, and transparency about the impact of the strike was part of introducing opportunities for everyone to understand. Okay, so I'm gonna watch this video and I'm gonna tell you guys, more or less what it is. All right, so now you don't get the first time. I mean, like when you mess up somehow, or whatever. Instead of like me not being able to live stream or something, some type of stupid, someone having a channel, and they just give you a warning, basically. There's no like penalty, which is really cool. Cause get off of my bed, dude. I don't like my bed because she rolls in the dirt. No, I told you not to get on my bed. And stop yelling like that. I'm not doing anything to you. So they don't penalize you. They just give you like a warning, dude. That's cool. So which is, really good for me too, because I don't, intentionally try to mess up my channel, you know what I'm saying? So that's cool that they did that. Like, subscribe, be sure, guys. Check out links in the description. Check out the merch. Let's make some YouTube money, you know what I'm saying? No. Not you. Not you. Not you. So guys, I decided to make my video more about, because I've been looking at some videos here on YouTube, and I found out that the highest CPM, cost per mile, which is basically cost per 1,000 views, highest CPM, which is the highest they pay you, is finance. So, finance stuff is the highest. The minimum is like $8 on finance per 1,000. So I'm gonna start adding like financial stuff in the videos, like just talk about money here and there in the videos, so that way now you know, because I'm posting a lot of finance stuff in the titles of my videos. So now you know where it's coming from, because when they said that when you're doing videos for entertainment, those are the lowest CPM, the lowest payouts is from doing entertainment videos, which I'm still gonna be doing, but I'm just gonna talk about money for like a few seconds or whatever in the video, or just say some financial tip or whatever, random thing, financials, so that way we can definitely put that in the title. And then excuse, we can get the higher CPM, dude.